Pancakes, often regarded as a breakfast classic, are flat, thin, and round griddled cakes. Their simple batter typically consists of a blend of flour, eggs, milk, baking powder or another leavening agent, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Pancakes are cooked on a griddle or in a frying pan, resulting in a soft and slightly fluffy texture with a crispy edge. The thinness of pancakes makes them a versatile canvas for a wide array of toppings, including the ever-popular maple syrup, butter, fresh fruits, whipped cream, chocolate chips, and even savory options like bacon or eggs. Stacking pancakes is a common presentation, creating a delightful visual appeal. On the other hand, waffles offer a different breakfast experience. They are typically thicker than pancakes and are known for their signature grid-like pattern, which is achieved by cooking the batter in a waffle iron. While the core ingredients of waffle batter are similar to that of pancakes, waffle recipes often include additional fat, such as melted butter or oil, and in some cases, whipped egg whites. This extra richness in the use of a waffle iron create waffles with a slightly crisp exterior and a light, airy interior. The grids on waffles not only provide an attractive appearance but also serve as perfect pockets for trapping and holding toppings like syrup, fruit, whipped cream, and even more substantial choices like fried chicken. Waffles are frequently associated with brunch, offering a delightful combination of textures and flavors that make them a more indulgent option compared to pancakes. In summary, the choice between pancakes and waffles often comes down to personal preferences. Pancakes are known for their simplicity and thin, soft texture, making them a versatile base for various toppings, while waffles offer a thicker, slightly crispy texture with their distinctive grid pattern, ideal for holding and enhancing the flavors of sweet or savory toppings. Your decision may depend on whether you're in the mood for a classic and straightforward breakfast or a more decadent and visually appealing brunch experience.